VKTX stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Viking Therapeutics stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Here's the big part regarding VKTX, that this is a solid freaking pump that I just got a loss on, right? I got stopped out. Why? Well, because welcome to trading, sometimes you're gonna take losses. I was looking to just double down the sell side and we completely shifted, and I also got my double break there, so that is a clean loss, but it's fine because +4 -1 R is still +3, so I'm good. Since it started shifting, we can be just, yeah, oh, this is phenomenal break, this is phenomenal pump. So from what I'm looking at here, hopefully the price pulls down, gives me like some sort of a double break so I can buy more. But if there is no sort of corrections that I would like to see, then there's just no way that I will buy, you know what I mean? So I'll continue to keep you updated. All I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned, you get free money making emails and insights. Click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.